This is the all-new 3rd Gen Tacoma dash mount from Tacoma Lifestyle. Let's show you how to install it. As for tools, you'll need your drill. You'll also need your 3/8 inch wrench. You'll need a 3/16 Allen key. You'll also need your corresponding 3/16 drill bit. You'll also want your 1/8 Allen key and your 1/4 inch drill bit. And then finally, you'll want some snips as well. So let's talk about what comes in the box. First, obviously here, you've got the dash mount itself. You'll also get 2 Tackform ball mounts included with the kit. You'll then have your hardware, and then to make things even more simple, you'll have your template for drilling as well. With that being said, let's get to the install. And just like that, you've got your dash mount installed. You can loosen or tighten these to adjust them to whatever position you need, left or right, and now they're ready for any accessory that you need to mount. If you want to pick one of these up for yourself or any other mods for your 3rd Gen Tacoma, the link is in the description. Make sure to drop us a follow, and we'll see you guys on the next one.